Welcome back to the channel of Luxury Garage. Today we are diving deep into the world of timeless luxury and performance with the all-new Mercedes-Benz 560, a car that perfectly blends sophistication, technology, and raw power. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz 560 is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of class, precision, and modern engineering. This latest model continues Mercedes' long-standing legacy of excellence, offering a perfect combination of comfort, safety, and dynamic performance that truly stands out in the global luxury market. From the very first glance, the Mercedes-Benz 560 impresses with its bold yet elegant design. The sleek aerodynamic body lines, signature front grille with the three-pointed star emblem, and futuristic LED matrix headlights give it a commanding road presence. The proportions are perfectly balanced to achieve both visual harmony and performance efficiency. The extended wheelbase not only enhances stability at high speeds, but also allows for a more spacious and luxurious interior. Every curve, every chrome accent, and every lighting element is crafted to perfection, reflecting the essence of modern Mercedes design philosophy, sensual purity and intelligent luxury. Under the hood, the Mercedes-Benz 560 houses a powerful 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an impressive 496 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque. This powertrain is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth and responsive gear shifts. Acceleration is brisk, with the 560 sprinting from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.4 seconds. Despite its power, the car maintains excellent fuel efficiency, averaging around 22 miles per gallon, which is remarkable for a V8 luxury sedan. Mercedes engineers have tuned the engine for both performance and refinement, so the sound is deep and confident without being overwhelming. The 560 also offers multiple driving modes: Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Eco, allowing drivers to choose between relaxed cruising and spirited driving at the touch of a button. Inside the cabin, the Mercedes-Benz 560 redefines luxury. The interior is crafted with the finest materials: hand-stitched Napa leather seats, real wood trims, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting that offers 64 different color options. The dashboard is dominated by a dual 12.3-inch digital display setup that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one continuous, high-definition panel. The infotainment system is powered by the latest MBUX, Mercedes-Benz user experience, which uses AI voice control and gesture recognition to deliver a seamless digital experience. Simply say, "Hey Mercedes," and the car responds to your commands instantly. The seats are designed for maximum comfort with heating, cooling, and massage functions for both front and rear passengers. The rear cabin is equally luxurious, offering executive-style reclining seats, individual climate zones, and optional rear infotainment screens. The cabin is exceptionally quiet thanks to advanced sound insulation and active noise cancellation technology. Even at high speeds, the Mercedes-Benz 560 remains whisper-silent inside, giving passengers the feeling of gliding rather than driving. In terms of safety, Mercedes-Benz continues to set global standards. The 560 comes equipped with an array of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and cross-traffic alert. One of the most innovative features is the pre-safe system, which anticipates collisions and automatically prepares the vehicle by tightening seatbelts, adjusting seat positions, and closing windows to protect passengers. The car also features night vision assist, a 360-degree surround view camera, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities that make long-distance driving effortless and secure. The suspension system is another masterpiece of engineering. The Mercedes-Benz 560 uses the advanced Airmatic adaptive air suspension, which continuously adjusts the damping for each wheel based on road conditions and driving style. This ensures a silky smooth ride even on uneven surfaces while maintaining excellent handling dynamics. Whether driving through the city or cruising on the highway, the 560 delivers a perfect blend of comfort and control. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the car's precision handling and stability at high speeds. The steering is accurate and responsive, and the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction in all weather conditions. The braking system, equipped with ventilated and perforated discs, provides confident stopping power. Mercedes has also included regenerative braking to enhance fuel efficiency, by recovering energy during deceleration. The exterior dimensions of the Mercedes-Benz 560 offer an impressive stance. Long, wide, and low, giving it a powerful silhouette. The 20-inch alloy wheels, chrome detailing, and sculpted hood add to its sporty yet elegant appeal. The LED taillights, with their unique light signature, make the car instantly recognizable, even at night. The automatic soft-close doors and illuminated running boards further enhance its sense of luxury. When it comes to pricing, the Mercedes-Benz 560 positions itself in the upper segment of luxury sedans. The base model starts at approximately $115,000, while fully loaded versions with premium packages can exceed $150,000. Despite its price, the 560 offers unmatched value through its performance, technology, and craftsmanship. It competes directly with other flagship sedans like the BMW 7 Series, Audi A8, and Lexus LS, yet maintains the distinctive Mercedes identity that loyal fans admire. The global market availability of the Mercedes-Benz 560 extends across North America, Europe, the Middle East, and Asia, including Japan and South Korea. Each region receives customized variants tailored to local regulations and customer preferences. Mercedes also offers an extensive after-sales program with 5-year unlimited mileage warranties and complimentary maintenance packages in select markets. The 560 is available in multiple color options, including obsidian black, diamond white, selenite gray, and emerald green, with bespoke customization available through the Mercedes Designo program for those who desire a truly unique vehicle. In essence, the Mercedes-Benz 560 represents the pinnacle of modern luxury and performance. It's a car built not only for driving pleasure but also for comfort, safety, and prestige. Whether you are behind the wheel or relaxing in the back seat, every journey in this car feels special. The attention to detail, engineering excellence, and timeless design make it one of the most desirable luxury sedans in the world today. If you enjoyed this in-depth review of the Mercedes-Benz 560, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel Luxury Garage for more reviews on luxury cars, motorhomes, and the latest automotive innovations from around the world.